All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. 6-to-1 miners, cryptocurrency projects, you name it, we're talking about it. Well, today we're going to be talking about Saitama. Used to be called Saitama Inu. We're talking about Saitama. It just did a migration to V2. We're going to kind of go over that, go to their website, check out both of their listings on CoinMarketCap so I can show you the difference and stuff like that. And then at the end, we're going to talk about BUSD Rothschildwiney. This BUSD project is going real well. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own it, understand it, know how to actually get into cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Saitama. All right, we're over here at CoinMarketCap and take a look here. Saitama is ranked at 32.28. It's down 9% for the week. It's up 8% for the day. If I click it, all these crazy little numbers are here. And it says Saitama has migrated to a new address. Now, I actually have the new address right here. Notice that this one is 3226. Notice that this one is 3116. We're going to come back to that. All right. So right here, when you go to this website, CoinMarketCap, it's got the coin going crazy and stuff like that. But right at the top of the page, it says Saitama has migrated to a new contract. For more information, click here. This takes you to their Twitter account. If you click this, it actually takes you to Saitama V2. So this is the coin. This is the one they're doing. There's 2 zeros and a 3. It's up 5%. So if I go over here, right here, Saitama V2, look, it's up 14% for the last 7 days. It's up 5% for the day. Okay, clicking it right here. So taking a look here, here's what happened in the last 24 hours, which is real good. Here's what's going on in the last 7 days. 7 days, look, it was down here, and it's just gradually going up, which you gotta like. All right, so now Saitama has been migrated. It says the ownership of smart contracts. It's now Saitama V2. When you click their website, they have a whole new facelift. It says it's time for a change. We have recently announced our migration to an upgrade, more secure and more sustainable version of Saitama Token V2. While the migration process is on course, we have temporarily replaced our website with the Migration Central to help us stay close to our holders and centralize the information. Guarantee not only that everything will run smoothly, but also that no one will be left unassisted. Thank you for your support, the Saitama team. So if you notice, look at this, it's completely different than the old Saitama. I haven't done a video in about 3 or 4 weeks, so I decided to do one today, and so bam, look at that. All kinds of new things are going on. It's Saitama V2. Okay, so you got the new contract assets. You can copy the contract right here. It says, we are Saitama. There's a video coming. There's not a video right there. Saitama V2 live chat. So I kind of click this.
So we decided we wanted to do it today because a lot of people are traveling tomorrow for the Memorial Weekend.
So here's the thing.
Got some stuff to go over, some recap for those.
They have a live AMA right here, what's going on, all kinds of different stuff. Watch later, share it, stuff like that. So the key thing here is, they're trying to be involved with their community to let the community know what's going on. Frequently asked questions. What are the new tokenomics? Well, the total tax of Saitama V2 contract is 4% per transaction. While 1% goes to the burn wallet, 1% will be redistributed to the pool of holders as a reflection, and 2% composed of sustainable tax, which 1% is an ETH and 1% is Solana token. Do I risk losing my Saitama tokens? You click it, no. You will not lose your Saitama tokens. We will take a snapshot of the blockchain showing exactly how many Saitama you held in your wallet the moment the migration, and we'll give you an equivalent amount of tokens will be airdropped to your wallet under the new contract. When we move liquidity from V1 to V2, these new tokens will show equivalent value in your wallet. So you don't have to worry about losing any tokens. When will I see my new tokens? The V2 will be airdropped to your wallet, meaning that they will be automatically sent to you without interface. If you do not see the new tokens after the airdrop automatically, you simply need to add the V2 contract address to your wallet manually. Yeah, so remember that in your MetaMask wallet, you have to add the new little logo, or it won't be there. I mean, it's there, but if you don't click the actual add to MetaMask or add to your Trust wallet, then there won't be an icon there to show you. That's what this is saying. And the token will appear there. Developers will be live during the migration, and airdrop time will be informed in our official social media channel. Do I lose money with the supply cut? No. Our supplies will reduce, but the new amount of tokens you hold will have the same value of the tokens you held. We are cutting the supply from 100 quadrillion to 100 billion tokens. This means that if you held 1 trillion tokens in V1, you'll have 1 million tokens in V2. But they will be worth approximately the same value. So they're lowering their supply quadrillion to 1 billion. And you got a few more questions here. I'm not going to read them all. All right, so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, we're going to go over to BUSD Rothschildwiney real quick. There's some things that are going on that are pretty good. The reason I like this is it's paid in BUSD. I did a FTM crop farmers a few months ago. I put $500 in, only invest what you're willing to lose. I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. Here's my story. I put $500 in. FTM at the time was worth 70 cents. So I bought $500. All of them were 70 cents. Boom, threw it in the contract. Well, now FTM is worth 25 cents. So it's lost 2/3 of its weight. So for me to get I compounded today and I got my, you know how the crop farmers, you compound for 5 days and you let it fill up for 2 days and then you withdraw your money. Well, I withdrawed my money today and literally I've got $148 back out of my 500. Now the thing is if the coin was still the same, I would have a lot more. But since I bought the coin at 70 cents and the coins were 26 cents, do you see the difference there? Okay, well, why is BUSD so important? Because it's pegged to $1. Let's head over and we'll talk a little bit more. All right, so it says, now, if you do this in the next 6 hours, you're going to get a 3x booster. All right, here we go. Rothschildwiney BUSD, the first innovative miner on the blockchain that rewards early investors with a 3x boost, and late investors also will get a lot of miners. Read the white paper. There's $80,000 in BUSD in this thing. It pays 8% ROI. It's going to range anywhere from 2% to 24%, depending on the circulation of the winemakers, the deposits and the withdrawals. You get a 5% referral fee. I'll leave my link in the bottom. This is a BUSD project, guys. That means in a week from now when you wake up, BUSD is still worth the same. There's a little frustration with all the coins being down so much that all these projects that you're doing, even BNB. BNB used to be $400. BNB used to be $300. BNB is $225. So even if you do these projects and you got in when it was, I actually did a project. I got in when BNB was $298, $300. Now it's $225. Yeah, the miner's doing good, but the BNB is not worth as much as it was when I put the BNB in. That's why this BUSD project is so freaking fantastic. It's got 6 times the mandatory compounds. There's a 24-hour timer, so you only have to do it once a day instead of twice a day. For people that take their money out early, you'll pay 99% in tax. Then once you actually compound for the 6 days, you get to fill up your cart for 36 hours. Let me show you this real quick. So I put 509 BUSD in this thing. Okay, I haven't made a withdrawal yet. Why? Because I'm on 5 compounds. Look right here. I got 5 compounds. In 58 minutes, let me raise this in case you can't see it. In 58 minutes, I get the compound again. Okay, I'm making 114 a day. So let's go 114 times 1.5, because you can let your card fill up for 36 hours. So every time I compound, every time I claim, I'm going to be making 171 in BUSD. Now going back to the FTM example, if it was 171 when I first got in, now it'd be $50 because the coin went from 71 cents to 26 cents. But BUSD, it's going to really be that. So when I make my claim, it's going to be $171. And then 7 days later, when I do it again, it's being paid out in BUSD. Okay, so I'm actually, the funny thing about this is, in 58 minutes, when this thing goes to 6, I'm actually going to go ahead and put more 324 more BUSD into this thing. I'm gonna have over 800. I just don't want to do it right now because I don't want to lose the 110. I want the 110 to go back into the contract. Because you have to, when you do this, you do have to approve your BUSD, everybody, right here on the right on the interface, and then you deposit your money. I'll go ahead and put my link in here. They're doing a 30-day challenge, which is fantastic. They're giving away 2,500 BUSD. And look at all the little things you can do. Join the Discord server, you get a point. Follow us on Twitter, you get a point. Like our YouTube video, you get a point. You know, if you're a YouTuber, create an intro video, get 1 point. Create a YouTube video, get 10 points. And they're going to raffle this off and stuff, which is real good. But bringing you this right here, the Rothschild Winery in BUSD. Again, FTM projects are great. I love the BNB projects, but those are losing because the coin's down. BUSD has to be one of your top projects. I mean, you pick which BUSD project you like. I'm just showing you that this little bad boy is going to be doing real well. Look at this again. I'm making an average of 114 a day right this second. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's head back over to Saitama real quick. And not going to do a price prediction today because they're migrating, but let's head back over there to cover some more information. So back at the website, will moving from V2 cost me anything? Now, what does it say here? No, you will not need to pay anything. The migration process will be entirely funded by the Saitama development team. You'll receive your V2 tokens via airdrop free of charge. So you got a couple more of these here. What is the new contract address? They put it right here. How does the V2 affect exchange listings? The new tokenomics for V2 were designed to better suit requirements for the listings and exchanges of all sizes. As the existing listings, nothing will change. We will work with each of them closely to smooth migration. Key thing here, let me blow this down here real quick. You know, right at the top here, they got top. You go right to the top. We are Saitama. They're going to put a video here live. This is, again, their AMA explaining what's going on. Their frequently asked questions, which I was just going through. Connect. You connect with us through Twitter, through Facebook, through Discord, all the different things. Assist. If you need assistance, click right here. Buy Saitama V2. Look where it says you can buy Saitama V2 on all these little places right here. Isn't that fantastic? All right, so a little video on Saitama. Used to be Saitama Inu, now it's just Saitama. They used to play that video that talked about how they liked helping the youth. Their big focus is helping the youth, which is fantastic. We're going to keep doing some Saitama videos because they're going through a change right this second. They're trying to better everything. They're going from 100 quadrillion supply to 100 billion, and so which is good. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here so you can learn about BNB Miner, the best miner on the planet. Been paying for 450 days. A month ago, this coin had, this project had 2,800 BNB in it. Now it's got 7,000 BNB. BNB Miner. Click right here so you can actually learn about the Cake of Fortune, another fantastic project. I will leave my link in the bottom for the Rothschild Winery BUSD. This is going to be a fantastic project. Now, again, it pays out in BUSD. Both of these projects right here, this one pays out in BNB. BNB used to be $400, used to be $300, now it's $225. This one pays out in Cake. Cake used to be $4, $5, now it's like $3, okay? Both are awesome projects, but the coin goes like this. BUSD doesn't. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.